What does my own reflection say to me tonight? Is it friend or foe hidden in the fading light? The cracks are showing, but I'm standing tall. Whispered truths go through the glass cold. I trace the edges where the fractures lay, a map of my soul that's been led astray. Shadows stretch and the image blurs, but in the chaos my heart still stirs. Oh, mirror, mirror, tell me who I am. In this silence, show me where I stand. Shatter my fears, watch them collide. From the pieces arise with nothing to hide. The silver's peeling, exposing lines more. A vessel of moments where dreams are born. Behind the cracks of fire,